Kumba ilit Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ila tip lupa ya ki aka barok ki ban saja kumban chupen ken mau ba ka jela Meghalaya kala dukno ya UMP ulit Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ndang hakini ki kendet sngi baladem halor ka jingpang kansan ka balalap ya hagapor ba udang elek kai football hadin kani ka jingklat no jong ulit Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon kalami ka kubor shirum chaneng ba yano ka seng Voice of the People's Party kan say ha ka jaka jong u late Dr. Ricky chimti ya ka tega kam ka badangsa ka ba u Dr. Ricky u kwa pan urlong nak menta ka jela Meghalaya u late Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon uladep ban ai ha u doktor bat ske marbo house nem arjar arpusan kadur jong ka buildings jong ka parliaments ka ba u Dr. Ricky uladep ban ai ha u doktor pat ske marbo kajing ais ngobha kadur jong ka ying parliaments jong isar Ricky AJ Sengkon house nem arhajar arpusan kaba ila ais ngobha sya i doktor bat ske marbo kane ka pen mau ya kajing ja ha ka bible ha ka ba u Elijah u ai pateng ha u Elisha ban pateng ya kajing sikri bat manta ka seng Voice of the People's Party VPP kalpan bana ya doktor bat ske marbo kum ukertong nak benta kene ki election siteng samoy hadin ke jingklat no jong i Dr. Ricky ban pendem ya kakam ka ba ilet Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ila dep ban maj phang hapo parliaments benta ki kam ki bana sa teng nak benta ke jela Meghalaya.
Language is one of the important elements. For many years we've been demanding for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I hope with the support of members that one day, just like while I was sitting here, from day one, hearing our friends speaking their own language, how I wish that one day, very soon, that you will also get to hear the language that I speak, the Khasi language.